Bonafide Hustler here, and today, really quickly, I'm going to show you some rolling footage from garage sales this past weekend. You let me know if I missed anything. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris, Bonafide Hustler, coming to you live from the inside of my house. And I'm going to cut quickly to some raw garage sale footage that happened last weekend. Found some cool stuff at garage sale number 1, maybe a couple ones down the way. But anyways, got a lot of cool raw footage, right? So this is going to be just unedited. There might be a couple cuts and stuff where we keep the people's faces out and stuff. But there was a lot of stuff going on. Let me know if I missed anything or if you thought that I just walked past some random stuff. I'm curious to know. But anyways, here's the raw footage. Check it out. Hope you enjoy it. So live and uncut footage here. I'll probably cut it. You know how I do it, but anyway. You got E-Money in the house? E-Money. Hello, good morning. You want a dartboard, Emerson?
Nope.
You want a dartboard, E-Money?
No thanks.
You sure?
Yep. You want a unicorn?
No.
Sure.
You want maybe a fake Dyson?
Unicorn hat?
That's a Casio cow.
No.
Not really one.
Actually, hold on. No, not this one.
I would
Needs
pass on that.
a larger screen.
Some goggles? No? Okay. What? Oh, bike seat? No. I bought this E-Money. That's rare. You want that? It's rare, isn't it? Let's see what we can find here. So yeah, oh, there's another one in the corner over there too. Dang. It's got a bike. Dang. Oh, this one's got a Specialized. This is awesome. Hello.
Hey, good morning. You want,
Cool.
okay.
It's a cool bike.
What's your best one, kid bike?
Well, we've been saying 60 because it was in a Walmart special.
Alright, they want 60 for the bike. That's a pass. Emerson, you need a Wii guitar, Emerson?
Yeah, Wii guitar, balance board. I was gonna do all my Wii stuff for
shoot.
$50.
All of it.
Everything.
Is that the best deal?
Emerson, is that the best deal?
But they're all in here. Look at all those games.
Tons of games.
And the balance board, you can surf on there. Yeah, bye.
Is this bike for sale? This is cool. It's pretty neat. I like it. Alright. Next garage sale. There's so many. I'm forgetting to look at every single one of them. There's just so many. I'm forgetting to film every one of them, but let's see if we can find some stuff here. Some Harley gloves, that's pretty cool. That could be alright. So it looks like those would be pretty good there.
These look like large as well.
Yeah, they're definitely big.
No, this is
They're
like
good?
my size, yeah.
Yeah, you would like that in the wintertime.
Yeah.
You should get them. $3, that's
Yeah,
like a
well,
good deal. Is that real letter? Yeah.
Yeah.
And this thing? It'll say right
Oh,
here.
say it.
It's gotta be real leather. There's no way it's not.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, how many do you have?
You should get them, man. Okay, we'll go to the next one. Oh, is it really?
Yeah. So
Really?
he probably drives an M3 tank or M1 tank.
Oh, cool.
Has an H3 and then designs that stuff.
Energy speakers. Ugh, they're destroyed. Hello. Alright, lock. Unlock. What does this look like? Nope, Adidas. Okay. Ready to roll? Need money. You need a Yeti cooler? There's one right there. It's a Yeti. Hey. What you seen, man? Anything? So let's watch one game. No. No, I'm okay.
Let's see. Here. How heavy it is.
Oh, yeah. Good one. Good one, money. Okay. Anything else? Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much. What's that?
Bro.
What is this thing? It looks interesting for some reason. Oh, it's weird. It'd be kind of cool to get some more PS4 games though. As many as we can get. These are all sports games.
Alright, let's see.
Eric's back there. Yeah. Maybe. Smell it though. Let me see how
Oh,
much.
wait, what? It says 75, but then.
That backpack went 2,000 miles up the Appalachian Trail. That was for the
Oh, the attachment.
yeah,
So-
Okay.
yeah. So you can have the whole thing. Okay, what I put as a price? 75. I'll give it 50. Okay, take it for 50. The whole shebang.
Anything about it?
Good morning.
Hiking boots. That's a tent, sleeping bag.
Okay. Let's see.
Hey, Mama, how much? Mom, how much? My bike, I had put 150 on it. Okay. Okay. It is actually a brand new.
Hello. Hello. Oh, there's all kinds of CDs.
These CDs are just, you can buy one box of CDs for $1.
Oh, yeah?
Come out here, everything's gone.
I bought this for my workshop.
Awesome, buddy.
Because my brother has the one. And I love it. I need to, if you
Maybe.
have
I'm
more
looking around.
staples next to them,
Seeing how much
I
this,
will.
these are medium. These are really
Okay, I'll keep an eye
Look at
out
that
for you. That's who I went as for Halloween when I was your age.
Alright, CDs. Nope. Alright, get out of here. Whoa, stuff everywhere here. Oh, cactus burner. Cactus burner's here. Oh god, look at this. Oh my gosh. A baller block. Are you kidding me? Wow. A baller block. Because they're like, hey, what's up, dude? How are you?
Just like sort of like follow me around.
Sort of.
Yeah.
Good to see
There's
you.
like 8 sales today, so we're all gonna be in the same places.
Does that Phantom still fly?
So, yeah, it does. Everything works on it. That one battery is charged. So
Yeah.
I can, like, show it to you. It has a gimbal on it. It needs a GoPro to sit in the gimbal to work right.
Oh, really?
Well, because those things are crazy, man. You have to like calibrate it to hold that weight. So if you try to fly
Wow.
it without it
Yeah.
being recalibrated for the weight, it's not gonna fly completely right.
Huh.
You just download the program off a DJI website.
You have flown this one before?
Yeah, I've flown that for years. That's the first generation one.
Oh, it's first gen?
Yeah.
Okay.
It
Yeah.
still connects to all the satellites, and it won't like fly. It won't fly like flight patterns.
Yeah.
Preset flight pattern. But if you let go, it's a very smart thing.
Okay. Yo. What is that? That's cool. Could you make me a deal on all these if I
Sure.
get this? Is that cool? Okay.
Yeah.
I'll just make a little pile. How much for the speakers down there?
25 a piece, $50 the boat speakers.
Okay.
They're like $300 speakers. They're waterproof.
So I did have a question about the drone. I don't know. I kind of want to beat around drone a little bit, but
That's what that's my plan is to buy the Mavic Pro.
Yeah.
After I sell all my shit, but it's great to learn with, man.
do you know what GoPro is adaptable to?
Up to 3. I put it
Up to 3? Okay.
well, no, I don't know. Up to 3. I think did 4 change the width size?
I think it did. Yeah.
Okay.
And I have a 4.
So yeah, then I think it's up to 3 then.
Okay.
Yeah, I
Is 75 the
appreciate
best on that one?
Dude, thanks.
Yeah.
Is that your best deal? I'm just curious. If 75
75.
is just 100% curious.
I mean, if you come back later and it's still here.
Okay.
Right now, yeah, it is.
Okay. How much for these 4? What's the best deal you can do on the 4?
How many is it? 4?
Yeah.
$5.
$5? Okay. Do that. Cool. There you go.
Okay, thanks, sir.
Thank you. All right.
You believe me now?
Yeah, I do. So I got these 4 Zippos for $5, and in the booth these get me about $12 or so, 12 to 20 bucks, right around there. So 4 for $5, great deal. I just realized that the first garage sale that we went to that day, where we found the best stuff, I didn't record it for some reason, but we got some killer stuff. You'll see it on the vlog. You'll see it on the vlog. When you see me buy a brand new printer, that's the first garage sale that should have been filmed for this right here. Anyways, I'm gonna edit this real quick. It's super raw. This is something that you want me to do a little bit more of, I will. But till then, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take it easy. Goodbye.